Sunflower oil manufacturing involves several important steps including seed cleaning, dehulling, crushing, oil pressing, solvent extraction, and refining. During refining, the crude oil is purified through degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to produce the clear, golden sunflower oil commonly used for cooking, frying, and food production. Watch until the end to learn how sunflower oil is produced in large factories and why it is widely used in kitchens and food industries around the world. If you enjoy videos about how things are made, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting manufacturing and food production videos. Sunflower oil is made by extracting oil from sunflower seeds. The process involves several steps to clean, press, and refine the oil before it becomes the clear cooking oil you see in stores. 1. Harvesting sunflowers. Sunflowers are harvested when the flower heads dry out and the seeds are fully developed. Machines collect the seeds from the sunflower heads. 2. Cleaning the seeds. The harvested seeds are cleaned to remove dust, dirt, plant debris, stones, or metal particles. This ensures only pure seeds go into the oil production process. 3. Dehulling, removing the shell. The outer shell of the sunflower seed is removed. This step helps improve the oil yield and quality. 4. Crushing and grinding. The seeds are crushed or ground into small pieces to make it easier to release the oil. 5. Pressing the seeds. The crushed seeds are pressed using mechanical presses called screw presses. This step squeezes out most of the oil from the seed paste. 6. Solvent extraction optional. To extract the remaining oil, factories may use a food-grade solvent, usually hexane. This pulls out almost all the leftover oil from the seed material. 7. Refining the oil. The crude oil goes through refining steps such as degumming, removes gums and phospholipids. Neutralization removes free fatty acids. Bleaching removes color pigments. Deodorization removes odor and taste. After this, the oil becomes clear, light, and neutral in flavor. 8. Packaging. The finished sunflower oil is filtered, tested for quality, and packaged into bottles or large containers for sale.